Would you like this candy bar or this fruit?
I'm going to take the delicious candy bar.
I'm going to take this fruit. It makes me feel like I have tons of energy.
Hey, want to play some pepper?
Yeah, I feel energized after that snack.
Alright.
I'm so tired.
So much energy, I could play for hours.
That candy bar didn't give me any energy. I'm gonna eat the fruit the next time.